7 days. That's all it took for my side project to make its first $90 online. Now I know what you're thinking. $90? That's not life-changing. And you're right. The money wasn't the exciting part. The exciting part was proving that a complete stranger, someone I'd never met, found enough value in something I built to actually pay for it. Because once one person pays, a second becomes possible. Then 100. Then maybe even thousands. And here's the surprising part. It had almost nothing to do with how good my product was. A few months ago, I made a simple decision. Instead of spending months building something in silence, I decided to build in public. Every day, I shared what I was working on, the features I was adding, the mistakes I made, the lessons I learned, the wins, the failures, everything. The problem? Nobody was watching. I had almost no audience. Every post felt like I was talking to an empty room. I'd spend hours building something I was proud of, post about it, and get maybe 3 likes. It's frustrating, because as developers and makers, we naturally believe that if we build something useful, people will magically discover it. But the internet doesn't work like that anymore. This is where I realized something that completely changed how I think. Building the product is only half the job. The other half is distribution. Think about it. Imagine opening the best restaurant in your city, but you hide it in the middle of a forest. No signs, no Google Maps, no advertisements. No one even knows it exists. Does the food matter? Not really, because nobody will ever taste it. The exact same thing happens with software. You can build the greatest app in the world, but if nobody discovers it, it might as well not exist. That realization completely shifted my focus. Instead of asking, how do I build more features? I started asking, how do I get attention? So I became a student. Every day, I analyzed creators who were consistently growing online. Not copying them, studying them. I wanted to understand patterns. Questions like, why do certain posts instantly grab attention? Why do some tweets explode while others disappear? How do they write hooks that make people stop scrolling? What topics create conversations? How often do they post? How do they reply to comments? How do they turn followers into customers? I wasn't looking for hacks. I was looking for systems. Eventually, I noticed something. The biggest creators weren't just posting randomly. Everything was intentional. Every hook, every story, every reply, every post had a purpose. Instead of trying to remember everything, I built a workflow for myself. A repeatable system, one that helped me stay consistent. Track what was working. Study my best performing posts. Generate better content ideas. And most importantly, keep showing up every single day. Eventually, that workflow became so useful that I turned it into a small tool. Originally, I built it for myself, but then I realized other builders probably struggle with the exact same problem. So I launched it. The results surprised me. After about 2 months of consistently building and sharing, I had grown to more than 3,700 followers, generating over 1.3 million impressions. Started getting my first paying users. And within the first week after launching the tool, it made its first $90. Again, it's not a huge amount of money, but it proved something far more important. The internet rewards consistency. Small wins compound. 1 customer becomes 10. 10 become 100. Everything starts with someone being willing to click that first buy button. If there's one lesson I'd want every builder to remember, it's this. Nobody cares about your product until they know it exists. We love talking about coding, design, features, technology, but marketing isn't something you do after the product is finished. It's part of building the product. Attention is the bridge between your work and your customers. Without that bridge, even amazing products stay invisible. I'm still at the very beginning of this journey. There's still so much to learn, so much to improve. But making that first internet money changed the way I see building forever. Not because of the $90, but because it proved that creating value online is real. Now it's simply a matter of repeating the process, improving the product, growing the audience, helping more people, and documenting every step along the way. If you're building something right now, don't wait until it's perfect. Start sharing. Start learning distribution. Because your next customer can't buy something they've never seen. And who knows? Maybe 7 days from now, you'll be making your first internet dollar too. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more honest lessons on building products, growing online, and turning ideas into income. I'll see you in the next one.